Te kuplay sibun parlok bapi jupet ya kene ke video bat hakane ke video nganai ke jimen tip nabun taki kam balapan lai da ka Army Public School Happy Valley Shillong nabun taki post jong ki TGT PRT bat Computer Lab Assistant. Te mentah hakane ke video ngan batai di telepi ya barok ki cinon kam nabun taki niki post balapan lai da ka Army Public School Happy Valley Shillong. Te pejagane ke video hadu banda kot. Te lada pede ibrang thamai hakane ke channel sewa banla jagane ke video bat kumjuro ban subscribe jagane ke channel. Ka Army Public School Happy Valley Shillong ka khot application ne phi namata ki post jong ki TGT PRT bat Computer Lab Assistant. Te cluster bersubit ya ki application form ke jong phi kadai hadukan rutrik November arjar arpulai. Te barok ki post ki belaj ki don hadu nyau post. Te namanta ki post jong ki teacher graduate training ki beri haki ad hoc ki nombor ki post ki belaj ki don ar post. Bat hak ki post wise vacancy list ki long namanta ka jinken si post namanta ka Sanskrit si post. Bat hak ka education qualification part ki sim ya ki belapandap ya ka graduate lengba ka BR. Te hak ki post jong ki TGT PET hak ki ad hoc ki nombor ki post ki belaj ka don tangkawe. Bat hak ka essential qualification part ki sim ya ki belapandap ya ka bachelor degree lengba ka physical education kum ka elective subject lengba 100% mark. Bat hak ki post jong ki TGT librarian ad hoc ki nombor ki post ki belaj ka don tangkawe. But haka education qualification part ki sim ya ki belapandap ya ka bachelor haka library sayan ane graduate lengba ka diploma haka library sayan na kano ka recognized institution but computer literacy lengba license ka experience. Te haki post jong ki PRT ki beri haki special educator ki nombor ki post ki belaj ka don tangkawe. But haka education qualification part ki sim ya ki belapandap ya ka graduate lengba ka special education lane BEd General. Te haki post jong ki PRT Art but Craft ki nombor ki post ki belaj kadon tangkawe. Bat haka education qualification part ki sim ki belapandap ya ka higher secondary, intermediate, senior secondary examination lengba saus nem full time diploma haka painting lane fine art na kano ka recognized institution. Te haki post jong ki computer lab assistant ki beri haki post jong ki contractual basis bat ki nombor ki post ki belaj ka don tangkawe. Bat haka education qualification part ki sim ki belapandap ya ka class 12 pass lengba ka diploma haka computer science bat knowledge haki hardware bat networking. Bat haka age limit ki don arbanta nabanta ki fresh candidate no experience pidei bendon hapok ka sapusnem karta. Bat nabanta ki experience candidate include ESM kidei bendon hapok ka san penyusnem karta. Te komno pan apply namanta kini ki post balapalai da ka APS Happy Valley Shillong. Te parlok ada print kamon bat ka karan pule pila ban submit lengba ki hard copy ha ka prescribed format. Bat lengba ka DD namanta ka cispa tengka namanta ka flavor jong ka APS Happy Valley payable ha Shillong. Ki kandidat kila pendipsit lengba ka application form haki hard copy lengba ka view data resume photocopy jong barok ki relevant certificate testimonial CSB score card ladadon bat kawai ka copy jong ka recent passport size photograph bat kadai ban poisha ka office jong ka Army Public School Happy Valley Sanfra GTC Shillong nyau khandai lai not nyau Aishwa kan rutrik November arjar arpulai. Te hakane ke video tanggini jiben tiap bar ini pejpat hakawai ka video. Kublai shibun.